Welcome. This video guides you on enabling and disabling cruise control and the speed limiter in your Kia Ceed III 2018 present. Cruise control maintains a set speed, reducing fatigue, while the speed limiter prevents exceeding a chosen maximum speed. Both are designed to improve driving safety. The cruise control and speed limiter buttons are located on your steering wheel. Look for the cruise control button, typically marked with a speedometer icon. The Set Plus and Cancel buttons are usually nearby. Familiarize yourself with their positions for easy access while driving. First, press the cruise control button on the steering wheel. Accelerate to your desired speed, which must be above 19 miles per hour or 30 kilometers per hour. Then, press the Set Plus button to lock in your speed. Your Ceed III will now maintain that speed automatically. Visual confirmation will appear on the instrument cluster. There are several ways to disable cruise control on the Kia Ceed III. The easiest method is to press the Cancel button located on the steering wheel. You can also disable cruise control by tapping the brake pedal, which will immediately disengage the system. Remember to always pay attention to the road, as cruise control is not an autonomous driving feature. To use the speed limiter on your Kia Ceed III, first, activate the speed limiter function. Refer to your owner's manual for the specific button location on the steering wheel. Once activated, use the Set Plus and Set buttons on the steering wheel to adjust and set your desired maximum speed. Your Ceed III will then prevent acceleration beyond this speed limit, making it perfect for urban driving or speed-restricted zones. Disabling the speed limiter is straightforward. Typically, pressing the speed limiter button again will deactivate the system. Look for the speed limiter button on the steering wheel, often marked with a speedometer icon. Press it again to turn off the system. Alternatively, in some models, firmly pressing the accelerator pedal beyond a certain point will temporarily override the limiter for emergency situations. When overriding, visual alerts will appear on the dashboard. Be mindful of your speed when using this override. If your cruise control or speed limiter isn't working, first ensure the system is enabled and check that no warning lights are illuminated on the dashboard. Some issues may arise from sensor malfunctions or ADAS glitches, especially during inclement weather conditions. Consider having your system checked by a Kia technician for firmware updates or necessary repairs. Safety is paramount when using cruise control and speed limiter in your Kia Ceed III. Always remain attentive while driving, as these systems are driver assistance features and not substitutes for safe driving practices. Regularly check your system's functionality by monitoring the instrument panel and ensuring proper operation. Be aware of the system's limitations in adverse conditions such as rain or on winding roads, where they may not perform optimally. By following these best practices, you can ensure safer driving with your Kia Ceed III's cruise control and speed limiter. Stay safe on the road.